When the job calls for post and pile driving power, Rhino brings the lineup. 4 attachments, 4 job site needs. 1 question, which attachment fits the job? In this corner, the Drive Master. Designed for compact spaces, mini skid steer use, fencing, agriculture, signs, and light utility work. In this corner, the Drive Master XL, built for larger commercial post and pile driving applications, including guardrail, solar, utility, infrastructure, and commercial work. In this corner, the Solar Pro, which supports ground-mounted solar applications, test piles, and remediation work. In the last corner, the Guardrail Pro supports installation and repair applications, where access, control, and the right attachment matter. Choosing the right attachment starts with the job. What are you driving? What equipment is on site? How much room do you have? And what application are you working on? Talk with Rhino today about which CEA attachment fits your job.